Yes. Wow. Oh, this is so pretty.
Thank you.
You look so good. Hey guys, so today we're here at Buruburu Sita. I'm at my client's place. I came to do her makeup, so wait for some hot photos that I'll be dropping later in the evening to show how good she is looking. You feel me? Yeah, and I'm loving my look. I'm looking amazing. Yeah. Ciao, bye.
A few moments later.
Hi beautiful people, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's yet another hot video that has been dropped. Thank you. So I just want to say thank you for your support. Thank you for getting me to 158 subscribers. Now let's get to 200 subscribers, guys. I know we can do this, guys. I know we can do this. I want to say thank you. I am so grateful. I am so humbled, and I'm not here to disappoint you guys. For my repeat viewers, thank you for coming back. And sure, you leave a comment. Let me know how you think about this video. Give me a thumbs up. You know, let's chat, yeah, in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply to your comments. You know, as always, yeah. And for my new viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. Before you head out, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video, and I will really appreciate it. Yeah, I just want to say thank you. I do not take this for granted. I really am appreciative of this. Thank you. Please stay tuned, enjoy this video, and let me know what you guys think about it. Yeah, thank you so very much. So right over here, at my client's place, I'm doing a bridesmaid makeup application. As you can see, I've already done her eyebrows, or is it eyebrows? Yeah, so we are moving next to the eyeshadow. She's chosen the color maroon. She wants something nude, you know, not anything shouting, because it's her first time doing makeup, so she said. And you know me, as the more makeup artist, I gotta do what my client desires. Yeah, so just doing something light, something not shout, something less dramatic. Yeah, and to make her feel good. You know, she's as in my clients come first, and whatever they want, I deliver. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you at the very end of the video. Mwah. Enjoy. So next up, guys, we have finished her eye makeup, the brows, the eyeshadow, and the lashes. I hope you guys have seen how I've put the lashes. I'll leave the products used down below in the comment section, in the description box, so that in case you might want to go and check them out, let me know. Yeah, so right now I'm just trying to blend in her foundation, getting her the shade that she wants. Something I wanted it to look more natural, not to look plastic, like for the photo shoots. Yeah, so we're just proceeding vizuri, we're proceeding on well, and yeah, stay tuned. So far I believe we are doing good. So far so good. And don't mind what's happening in the background. It's a wedding. Wedding is it's a big ceremony, and anywhere there's a wedding, it's always about family. Family is everything. Yeah. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm loving the look so far. So good. Yeah. Thank you.
piano.